Hola amigos, Saul here from Decoding the Market. Happy to be here one more time sharing more information. If you are new, welcome. If you are not, welcome back. Hope you are doing well and enjoying your weekend with your family and friends, wherever you are. It is Sunday, November 1st, October, it's gone. And today I will share more technical analysis of Bitcoin. If you are one of the people who watched my previous Bitcoin video, you will be happy to realize the success of my analysis a month ago when I mentioned the possible target price of Bitcoin for October, and here we are right on the schedule, reaching $14,000 and testing this area at the moment. Let's see what can we expect in November. And here it's where the technical analysis starts. Amigos, just quick review for those who missed out the previous video, which I highly recommend to watch. If you are new, remember to smash the like button, subscribe to support the channel, to don't miss any information you might regret in the near future. Okay amigos, a very important thing. Trading is the most difficult business you can encounter. Requires to be educated on this field, requires to manage your risk reward, and you must eliminate any kind of emotion while you are trading any product in the market. Requires patience. If you are not this type of person, you most likely will lose part of your investment, or even worse, you will blow out your account, not just once, maybe more, if you cannot control what I said before. If you are not patient, you will be in a rush every time you are in front of your computer looking the chart, chasing the price and at the end you will be caught out thinking you are doing the right thing just because you notice the price is trending up or down. Never chase the price, ever. Amigos, this is one of the biggest reasons I start this channel, to help people like you, to educate you and prepare you to develop a strong mentality to face FOMO. If you are not familiar with this term, FOMO means fear of missing out opportunities. Amigos, the opportunities are always here, every day. The only thing you need to do is what I said to you before. If you are here, it's because you really want to prepare yourself to make the right move and stay in the right side of the market and move forward in your financial life. Take advantage of this free educational information which you are not going to get and find anywhere in the internet. If you do, I guarantee you, you will pay for a very expensive course, don't knowing the real content of the course. Join me here and smashing the like button and subscribing to the channel. You will get everything for free. Anyway, with this preview, let's begin. Hope you remember this graph I shared with you before. This is Bitcoin average monthly return from 2010 to 2018. Remember, Bitcoin worst month's performance is September. October met the expectation to gain 56%, and now Bitcoin expectation are to gain 60.41% in November. I am so excited to see this, amigos. But remember, guys, we are in a such difficult time dealing with the presidential election this week. and no stimulus package from the federal government, and even worse, the pandemic COVID-19, which I hope all of you are doing well. Everything can happen this month. Let's check real quick the graph that I shared with you before. Like I said before, in January, in Bitcoin monthly return gained 11.18, February 15.61, in March 10.11%, April 38.61%, May 38.57%, June 12.77%, July 8.79%, August minus 0.5%, and like I said before, September is the worst month performance of Bitcoin with minus 5.48%, and then now October met the 34.56% gain, and we are in November with expectation to gain 60.41% gain, and December looks like it's gonna be 13.46%, and I'm gonna show you what will be the move of Bitcoin regarding this drop here. Let's go back to the chart and explain it to you exactly what we have and the technical analysis. If you remember from my previous analysis, I was targeting these price levels, number 1, number 2, and number 3, and here we are reaching $14,000. I remember I told you the possibility to drop to $9,000, which never happened, right up here. When I was analyzing the 20% drop in this channel and the descending trend. Okay, amigos, I remember I told you the possibility to drop at $9,000, which never happened when I was analyzing, like I said before, when it was dropping. In this particular time, we reached 20% drop. Amigos, very important. Bitcoin most likely is expected to drop 30% in the higher highs. But for now, we must pay attention in this particular area. Which is $14,000. If you notice, we have resistance price right here, which it's connected in June 27, 2019, when reached the higher highs in that particular date, and now we are touching exact the same level. If the price holds above $14,000, if you notice, like I said before, the resistance price in this level, and you follow this trend line, and the trend line match right here is connected right here. That's why it's very important for the next days that the price is holding above this price. And if you notice, I add this parabolic line also because it was developing from this point to this point, and to be honest, I decided to add this parabolic line. Let's call parabolic line, and that is very interesting move right here, because if the price is going to hold in this particular area to the uptrend, we can see a real move in November to reach $16,000 right up here. let me put this a little bit below right here, $6,000, 16,000 right here. Like I said, if the price holds right here, look at this parabolic line. This parabolic line that I add, I'm very excited since the predictions to meet 60.41%. That is the reason I add this parabolic line, and we will see if the price holds all the way to the uptrend here. Once again, guys, if I mention about a possible drop of 30% in Bitcoin, it's because happens before, and I'm gonna show you right here. For those who miss out my previous videos, I highly recommend to watch it and see why I've been getting the idea with the possibility that Bitcoin can drop eventually 30%. But for now, that is not going to happen. If it happens, it's going to be in a different price level. If that happens, in that particular moment, you can feel more relaxed knowing that it's a normal and a healthy move for Bitcoin. Like I said before, right here, if you notice real quick, in this particular time, 33% drop, right here, 33% drop, right here, 39% drop, 41% drop, and 31% drop. This was the biggest drop, and after to reach $20,000. So right after, the big drop was 70%. But normally, if you notice, this is the normal move that Bitcoin does when drop the price. And I highly recommend to go back for those who missed the video to watch again. And right here, I put this indicator, which means the possibility drop the 30%, which means we can go back to the $9,000. But to be honest, I don't think it's gonna happen at this level. What I expecting is that I just put this is because I just want to give you a possibility. Like I said, everything can happen in this situation that we are going through with the pandemic and the election days. So as long as the price holds here, we can reach $16,000. But one more thing that you need to be aware, guys. Some people, when the price drop 20%, when we were expecting a 30% to drop at this point, like I said before, close to $9,000 or below $9,000, people were scared. And for those who believe and analyze Bitcoin, how Bitcoin performs, a lot of people get a position right here. Actually, I did. And the price continue going up. So if you are scared that Bitcoin in the future is gonna drop 30%, please don't be scared. Take advantage of that moment to add more Bitcoin, or if you are a swing trader, you can set up your stop loss in 30% when that happens. But at the moment, we can expect that the price is gonna hold above this trend line, and now if exceed in the next days will be support line and following this parabolic line that I added. Here, amigos, is a better clear idea for what we can expect in November. Like I said, price already reached this level, and following my trend line, my parabolic line, it's going all the way up. So the 60% that we are talking about, that can reach Bitcoin, it's from this point. Let's see right here. From this price, because I'm putting this price a little bit below. If you notice, the price it's right up here. Let me make it a little bit bigger. The price, it's right here, $13,800. But like I said, I expecting, to be honest, at least 5% drop if the price does not hold above this resistance price and this trend line. If the price doesn't hold above, I expect, let me take a look right here to make it clear, this from here, I expect a drop of 5% to 6%, which is the one that I've been explaining to you right here. And if the price hold above this parabolic line, like I said, don't be scared if the price it's dropping 5%, which is gonna touch this level number 2. So don't be scared in the next days if the price drop here. Following this parabolic line, as long as the parabolic line stays there, I mean the price stay above the parabolic line, we can see a potential gain in Bitcoin. Let me put it right here. And then the price must exceed this level number 4, and probably, I'm not sure, I'm not a magician or oracle to see the future, but what I believe is that after $16,000 and reaching $18,000, that's why this level number 5, it's where probably the 30% drop is gonna happen. Let me put it here, right here, to make it a little bit clear. Right here, I think the 30% is gonna happen, and it's gonna come back probably by the price we are now. So because right here I'm looking at that very strong support. If the 30% happen, we're looking to come back right here. But I told you guys, don't be scared about if Bitcoin drop 30%. It's a very healthy move. If that happen, it's because the move, when drop 30%, what is gonna happen, if it hits this level again in the future, is gonna gain above to reach $20,000. And we'll see if that happen. But like I said, probably it's not gonna happen, the 30% drop. But if it does, well, I mean, I just want to clarify something that can happen. So like I said before, let's go back to the levels that Bitcoin need to reach. It's holding in the level number 3, must exceed $16,000, and right after it's gonna have a little bit of I don't know, it's gonna make some moves to reach number 5. And then if the statistics are telling us that it's gonna reach 60.41% in November, well, amigos, I mean, we are talking about to reach above $20,000 and maybe reach above $21,000, and that is gonna be the higher highs right here, all-time highs. And probably when it reach all-time highs, once again, I will say that Bitcoin is gonna drop probably 30%, but 30% would be around right here in the level number 4. If you are scared a little bit, we expect to come back over here, but I don't think that is going to happen. If Bitcoin drop in the next period of time, I think it's just gonna drop like, I don't know, probably 15%. I don't think it's gonna drop 30% in the near future unless something happens. Amigos, if this video was informative for you, please hit the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to the channel to don't miss my most recent technical analysis in forex market and cryptocurrencies. Amigos, if this video was informative for you, please hit the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to the channel to don't miss my most recent technical analysis in forex market and cryptocurrencies. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful Sunday, and I wish you a very profitable week.